Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts were never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.
Happy birthday, Nori. Wow, 80 years old. What a significant milestone. Thanks to God. Only privileged few have reached this far. May you have more healthy years to come with John. Qualified na ka sa 80 years old bonus from the government. Again, happy birthday. With me and Biti will say happy birthday again, and we pray for June's fast recovery soon. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nor. We love you.
Hi, Nor. Happy birthday kanimo. Nag-enjoy mo sa imong adlaw na tawhan, 80th birthday. Huy. Very big grace from God nga nabot tay nga nang idara. Hope and pray nga we will be happy sa kaning karong adlaw with all our friends and relatives. And also I know June is also there listening to us now. Nga magsalig lang tag mayo. Let's increase our faith and our trust in God nga si June sooner mamayo siya, makabalik siya active, mamayo siya sa iyang gibati karon, and hope the family too, iba ng mga anak nimo nga naron diha nga mag-enjoy sila with you sa imong pag-celebrate sa birthday. And this is all we can say, and God bless. You are always in our prayers, especially June, for his fast recovery. Thank you and enjoy the day. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ma'am Nori. Happy 80th birthday, Ma'am. Sa akong grade 2 teacher and my mentor when I was a student teacher here in G-Press. Pinangga jud kayo ko nimo, Ma'am, sa kay even gani pa kay balon nimo nga kay nang ma-assign ako diri sa G-Press, imo kong gitagan og uniform, school uniform ato nga time. Thank you kaayo, Ma'am. Butan kaayo ka, Ma'am. Sukad pa gyud na sa una. And even this time, mag-chat ka, mutawag ka, mangamusta ka namo ni Mama. And Ma'am, I wish you good health, more blessings, and more years to celebrate life. Again, happy birthday, Ma'am. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nori. More birthdays to come. God bless you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy 80th birthday, my friend Nori. Wishing you a blessed years added to your life. May the God Lord grant all your heart desires. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. Cheers!
Hello, Mom Nori. For 8 decades, you have beautified this world with your presence. We, Wilkins family, hope your 80s will filled with joy and wonder, and you continue living life to the max. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. Your strength, wisdom, and enduring spirit are an inspiration to us all. I miss our chit-chat. Happy 80th birthday. Love you from us in England. Me, Richard, Alex, Brant, and Carlos. Love you!
Hi, Nang Nuri. Mayong adlaw ninyo din, ha? Musta na mong tanan? We would just like to greet you a happy birthday. Dili unta ingon nga magmalipayon lang unta ka sa imong birthday in spite of all your trials now. We will keep on praying for nung June. We'll just lift it up to the Lord. Surrender everything to Him. Enjoy your day and be with your family and friends. Regards to nung June, we keep on praying for him. God bless you always.
Hi, Nang Nori. Happy birthday. Again, likewise, be joyful. Tanang mga blessing na dawat nimo sa imong pamilya, sa imong anak, sa imong apo. That's a very big blessing. You just count all the blessing. Tanang gihatag sa Ginoo, and it make you joyful and no regret in life. And like
Nang Nori, karong adlaw maoy mahinungdanong okasyon sa imong kinabuhi. Ang pagsaulog sa ika-80 anyos. Ako manghinaot nga hatagan ka pa og kabaskog og malipayong mga katuigan sa imong kinabuhi. Happy birthday, Nang Nori.
Birthday, pray always, be strong. Napamatay mga anak at atong gimahal. Pray lang ta. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Nore. Amping kanunay, and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you. I love you, Mama Nori. Ilang taon ka na? Well, di na ako tanungin ang play edad ni mo. Basta happy lang tayo. Lahat na tayo may pinagdaanan sa buhay. Smile lang tayo. Huwag kalimutan walang smile. Basta kita-kits tayo po. I love you, Ma. Pray lang tayo always. Happy lang. Pray lang tayo always, Ma. Makaraos din tayo nito. Okay? Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Nori.
Hi, Mama Nori. Happy birthday. I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and be strong all the time like always, okay? We love you. Happy birthday.
Nori, mayong atong adlaw karon. Ako nakidala sa Yuno. Katuig. Salamat sa Ginoo nga padangaton pa ka sa daghang kasumaran o katagan sa mayong panlawas. Ay, Nori, ikaw. Ang mo sa durong adlaw. Kutsinta na karon, Nori. O salamat sa kahitasan na kadagata karon. O daghan pa kay mga tuig o sa atong ka kinabuhi. Hatagan ta sa mayong panlawas. Salamat, Ginoo. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Nori. Sa akong dapat taas ang kinabuhi. Kung nga akong sa tunod pang birthday.
Wala.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Nori.
Happy birthday, Nori. Naot po, katagan ka kayo may panglawa, tagan ka may panglawa, sugdahan pa mga birthday nga maabot. Mas manak po, happy birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Mom Nori. I hope you see yourself the way I see you. Amazing, incredible, kind, smart, compassionate, funny, and wonderful. Have a fantastic birthday, Mom. Babu!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.